Are you guys going to break right when you go across suicide, or are you guys going to stay left?
Depends. We'll see how it is. Yeah. We'll probably stay left if you guys are gonna take right.
If we can flood in from this doorway, we'll break in and go break right.
Okay.
So just move into the doorway. We'll break in and go to that first top room.
Okay. Ready? Come on.
Should have started the contour a while ago.
Yeah.
Or not.
Or maybe. What is this?
Maybe.
There we go.
Right now. Okay. You hit. You want to move in? Yeah. Move in. Go, go, go. I got you. Where?
Don't look in there.
I'm trying.
Don't look in there.
No, there's no one there. I see the muzzle. Got one. I'm gonna get lit up if I stay here.
Can you stay there now?
I can try. Anthony, you still here?
Watch your back, watch your back. Go left and start.
Dude, I'm just...
Keep it going.
Round over?
No.
No.
Oh shit.
I'm fine.
Let's keep it going. Good?
I'm laying down in this little hook, and I'm just looking right through the main alley.
Solid.
That was good.
I know, why are they shooting? Stop shooting!
Get back.
Re-engage, let's go. We're good.
No, go back.
Strangers! Start moving up. Let's start moving up.
Red light.
Got you.
Green light. We're good.
All right, let's go.
Go. I got you.
Good. Let's move.
Go. Move. Watch out. Go. Did?
Yeah. Are yours?
Is that mine? It's not mine.
Fuck it. Hey, come on. Get ready, set. Give him a wall.
Guy four left.
Do we enter this side? Let's have a pop out. We can take step aside.
Are we good?
Get into compound.
Ready? You're going through that door?
Yeah, let's try to get that door.
I got this guy. You guys go through that door.
Through the hole, go. Arthur, let's go.
No, Anthony, I can get through this door. Anthony, I can go through here.
I'm gonna go through the tires over here, okay?
3, 2, 1, go. Hit.
Where is it?
That front there. Anthony, you got him? Not shoot him. Put on. Oh wow. The motor. Go back to the technicians and then we'll give you a new gun. Just show them that and
Go.
Going.
I'm waiting to do it. Here we go.
Yep.
Hold on. I'm changing.
I got it.
Ready?
Set. Go. Bang. Double. Bang. Double. Dude, we said at the same time.
Oh, okay. We do? Get in the right room, baby. Right room. Get in that right room.
Okay.
Yeah.